we're almost to the spot where we pop out of the wash. Yeah, here's the S-stern. Oh, it's tight. I might have to back up a little bit. Turn it as tight as we can. There we go. Maybe not. Real tight in here. Somebody shot a chunk out of that cactus. See it?
Yeah.
There. That left cactus right there in the center. Maybe a shotgun or something. Here we go, now we're climbing up out of the wash. There we go. Look at that view. Try to hold the camera level. As best as you can. You don't have to be like super level. Yeah, we're fine. That cactus that got struck. I'd drive a little faster, but the sun's in my eyes. switch gears right here. It's easier to do it here than down there into low gear. And we're parked.
Normally smell gas back here.
When I first shut it off, yeah, it back flushes a little bit.
Well, I was smelling it when we were riding too.
When I let off the gas, it probably did it. That cactus is a new fall. That wasn't here last time. Well, it was here, but it was standing. Doesn't look like it got struck though, it just disintegrated. You hear the woodpecker in the distance? The one right here. It was? Oh, I forgot. So that's east. That's the trail we just came up. Not sure if the camera can see it, but way out there at the base of that hill that's centered in the camera, there's a bunch of people target shooting. But they're at least 5 to 7 miles from where we are. We're just up high. That's northwest of us. And obviously where the sun is west. My beautiful wife. And then these are the hills that kind of block our view of the south. This is the, I think the northernmost point of Hawk Hill. It's the same hill that the power lines go to the top of, the power line road, which is way over there. Maybe next time Larry comes out, we'll try to go up that mountain. The one straight in front. Can't get all the way to the top, but there's a track that goes up it partway. That woodpecker was going to town. That's not somebody, well, that was shooting. The woodpecker's this direction. The woodpecker is the one that sounds like We're a few minutes early to watch the sunset. On that camera? Stop it for a minute. Oh, you turned it off? Okay. It'll cool off. Good old GoPro overheat problems.
over, don't wander off. There's too much cactus around.
Hey, Dragon.
Yeah.
Come here.
1 second. I'm gonna set the camera up on the roof.
Close it over.
That's what the bipod's for.
Answer the question.
This back.
That machine?
Yeah.
I gotta.
We got some wood.
Okay. I think there's more on the way back too that we'll be able to see without the sun in our eyes.
There's some wood up here, Dragon.
You didn't see how much I just put in back the.
I had my back to you, I think, but
Yeah.
I see little pieces. I don't see a lot of big ones.
Come in the UTV.
It's all right here in the corner.
Oh, okay. Yeah, smaller pieces.
Jen, where are you trying to go? Jen, do not go past that front seat. So I know you carry a spare tire, but do you carry the tools that you need to change the tire with?
The tire wrench is under one of the seats.
Okay. That's the answer
What
to that.
happened on the way up with the tiles?
What's that?
Nothing, I was just asking a security question. Safety question, whatever question.
No, I heard him say something was going on with the tiles on the way up.
No.
No, I asked him if they were okay, if he had aired them up before we left. And
No.
he said he checked them.
I heard him on the video.
Oh, you mean on the way up the hill?
Yes.
I said the tires were slipping.
So don't say no.
Well, details. Yeah, I just turned the camera around and I showed it the back tires were slipping on the rock. The front ones didn't look like they were pulling that hard, but the back
No.
ones were churning.
Yeah. I was feeling it.
It's a steep hill.
That one's kind of.
It's up to you.
I've got the one I want, so.
This is about the same steepness as the hill at the waterfall trail that we go the bypass.
Yeah, he just now tells me there was a bypass to the waterfall trail.
I've only been up it twice. I only knew about it twice.
When we went out there, I don't think he knew about it.
Correct. I never noticed it. There's also a neat little cutout in the rocks you can hide in.
Is that how you discovered it?
No, that's something separate.
Stop.
Did you watch that other video?
Don't.
Huh? Did you see at the waterfall where we all stopped?
No.
Oh, because that was what we went and looked at. We all went and looked at the hiding spot. One of us saw it while we were driving past and then we stopped.
That's what happens when I threw it down.
Shattered?
Yeah.
That rock is pretty easy to break.
he wanted my hand for something.
What is this? Bone fragment?
What? Show me. No, that looks like the remains of a cactus that got struck by lightning.
Yeah.
That's like because it turns the skin into like ceramic. And look down there, Jen. Stand up, tall. See the toothpicks?
Yeah.
Guess what that is?
19.
Cactus that got struck by lightning.
This?
Probably, yeah. Some of its pieces probably flew over here. Because that's only like 15 feet away.
Yeah.
So some of its pieces probably flew. Good. She's also pulling me off balance. Hey Jen, the mountains are starting to turn purple. Hopefully the camera is catching it.
Really?
What? What?
No, read about this.
I'm watching you.
Well, I don't know what you're digging in the dirt.
I know. You need to tell us what you're doing when we ask you questions.
I'm gonna have to cut so much out. You got it.
I got her. Got her.
What are you digging for?
Limestone.
I only needed one piece. I got what I wanted.
Yep, I just got a full.
Watch it, Britt. You're right by Captain.
Is this what you're looking for?
I'll take it.
Here's a big chunk.
What is it? It's not my store, but it's a quartz.
It's a quartz and something else mixed together.
There's limestone over by that cactus if you're willing to.
Where? Where?
It's got enough limestone. Watch her, because my hands are full right this second.
It's only.
Grab that rock next to your hand, the big one. Flip it over. Is that what you're looking for? That one?
Give him some wiggle worm.
That one's in there good.
You might not be able to get that one out.
I'll need like a shovel or something to get that out.
Next time.
That one must be a lot bigger than it looks underground.
Yeah.
I kicked it and it didn't even move.
That's fine.
Even just a pick, yeah, just a pick would probably get it. Something to get underneath it.
Do we have a pick?
Yeah.
At home, yeah. That's a yes, I guess.
Yep. Now we're going to have another infected finger.
Ah,
Hopefully not.
it'll be fine. All right, got the camera straightened up. Jen, look at the mountains.
I know. Ooh, it changed like from 2 seconds ago.
Yeah, it did, because the sun's dipping minute by or second by second. It's changing the whole canyon here.
I'm fine.
Let me get up here on the high spot.
Can I have that? That one?
Go on.
You can turn it on, it'll be fine. Got pink coming up over there and purple a little bit. It's making all these mountains glow.
Dragon,
Yeah?
can I hop in the back
Yes.
and stand up?
Yes. On that one. Just climb the tire and hold on to the top. That's how we all get in the back of it. Hang on. You're making this a little bit. Here, hang on.
The tire's not sturdy.
There must be sand in this. Here, can you hold this for a second?
I'm not gonna make it through that large.
You'll make it, but you're going to be very, very tight.
You're gonna be very hurt.
Really tight?
Oh yeah.
I don't want to hear. I hurt myself, Mom.
As a little kid, I used to do the same thing in the truck. She's gonna stand up in the back. I'll help you get down off the tailgate on
You're like, shut up.
The sun's fading, you better hop up if you're gonna shoot anything. It's already behind the mountain. Just lean up against the cab. Yeah, like that. I'm only getting her front half. How does that scenery look? Look at that color, Jen.
No, it's incredible.
You like this hill now?
Yeah.
The overlook does good too, but it blocks part of your sight. This one doesn't have anything in the way. All that color, I really hope the camera's catching it.
Say hi.
Hi. I'm just getting an angle. Can you close that door? And just step away a little ways. I want to get this mountain with the machine in the picture. There we go. Oh, that looks good. Stand up. You're mostly blocked anyway by the roof. That's gonna make some good pictures, Jen.
I love this one right here.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Try to frame it. If you want to do a selfie, you can. That's why it's got a screen on the front.
Are we about ready?
Yeah.
Because I want you to be able to back out when you can see.
Oh, I'll be fine. I've been up here before in the dark. Here, Jen, turn around and face me. I'll get a picture of you. Sit on the cargo box. You can leave it there. It won't blow away.
Sit your booty down, Jennifer.
That way you can use it for Facebook or something. Just sit on the big box. Let me get the other mountain. Get it centered up. That one's gonna come out really good. Let me see if I can get less of the machine. That one right there is going to be good too. That came out good.
Good kill. You done now or what?
Did you see this, Debbie?
What?
Right here. Look at the camera. The sunset too.
Flipping your ass off.
That's okay. I got plenty of you. It's video. I got plenty of you not flipping me off.
Sure, with my dirty butt from the seat too.
Well, that I can edit out. All right. One more time around.
I love this. Why is mine not like have the sunset at all?
Your phone camera is not as good.
Still thinks it's daytime.
Yep. All right. You ready to go down the hill, Bearby?
Hold on.
Here, let me make this easier for you. Keep your phone up. I'm just getting the angles of the sun. Okay. Is that good?
Yeah.
There, you've got like 150 selfies now that you can snip out of this.
Grab the other camera off the top.
Oh, thank you. Should I stop it?
Yes.
Yeah, you can stop it.
And then he said he'd help you out of the.
I'm just gonna get in how I got out. Oh,
Just hold it level out the door. Just point it
Here,
forward.
give it to me.
Yeah, just point it forward. Like this. Like down the hill. Just watch where we're going down the hill, that's all.
I hate that road.
Well, just get it aimed right and then just close your eyes.
No, not that. Down the hill.
Oh, that?
Yeah.
Well, that guy would have fallen down this hill.
I'm still not convinced they got the right guy.
Neither am I. Alright, that was a bad spot. The rest of this is easy.
This green turned off.
It does that sometimes. You just touch it quick.
I did.
I can take it now.
Probably want to turn it off.
I'll record until the battery runs out.
Ooh, look behind us.
Uh-huh. It's neat, huh?
Yeah. The gear said they'll always be open.
Yeah, I was just making sure my other camera mount didn't hit that cactus. We always get sideways a little bit on this one. And this tree is always in the way.
Did it mono or something?
I don't know.
It looks black.
And go in. I know it's going to be tight here. Keep it.
We're past the stuff for a moment.
All this looks ashy and black.
It may have burned at some point, but not recently. It may just be very old.
Wait, hold.
see that one until last second.
Okay.
She got a souvenir. Next time we come through here, we need to bring the little chainsaw.
Oh, the clippers.
Well, I have a little tiny chainsaw. Okay, here's the S turn. It's not that one that's the problem, it's this one over here.
Are they not the same? This and that? Not the same?
Yes.
Oh, those are pretty flowers. Oh, white.
Yeah. It's just a really tight corner right there.
You got something hot.
Where?
I know you throw it. It's gone down. Maybe.
What did she say?
She thought there was something caught underneath us. Something just hit the camera.
Huh?
I was holding the camera out the window and something hit it. This is getting tight right here. Yeah, that little chainsaw would do quick work of this. We can speed up a little bit now.
It's not a hose.
All right. I think it's time to turn the headlights on.
No.
I don't have to. I can.
Watch it.
The birds.
Yeah.
This is a neat little outcropping, isn't it?
Yeah.
This rock.
The rock cave.
Yeah, the water carved that out.
You're gonna win a win now.
We're almost back to the power lines. What is? Yeah. Oh wow, look at that picture right there
Yeah.
with the mountain in it. All right, I'm gonna shut the camera off now. Just give me like 20 seconds for an outtake.
Thanks for watching.
Yep, thanks for watching and make sure you hit that subscribe.